welcome to Geek TV. My name is John Calvert. Today we're making slow cooker honey garlic chicken. Let's get started. We're going to start off by making the sauce. We're going to add together 3 cloves of minced garlic, 3/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of honey, and just a dash of red pepper flake. And we're going to whisk that together. Next we're going to add 2 pounds of cubed boneless chicken breast to a crock pot, and to that we're going to add the sauce we made earlier. We're going to give that a stir to get everything covered and coated, and we're going to cook that on low for 4 hours. There you have it, folks, how to make honey garlic chicken in the slow cooker. It's awesome, it's simple. My name is John Calvert and you've been watching Geek TV. Tune in next time when we make something else awesome.